welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I am going to be deep cleaning my house. I'm gonna go to each room and just really give it that deep clean. Let's get to some cleaning. I think it just has the right amount of sweetness and it literally feels like I went to Starbucks this morning and grabbed it. This is the current state of my kitchen. I usually keep it really clean in here and I just pick up as I go, especially when I'm cooking. I would like to just wipe down all of the surfaces. Needs a sweep and a mop. I hope you all are enjoying the video so far, and I absolutely love my coffee corner. When we had a smaller apartment, this is something that I really wanted to have, so I am very grateful to have this whole area dedicated just to my coffee and all of the little decor pieces that I love to add seasonally. At the end of August, I plan to already have some seasonal decor for fall and for Halloween. I leave out all of the syrups that I like to use for different coffees. So I have vanilla, white chocolate. I always have ground cinnamon here, and I just added the pumpkin spice. I love having to-go cups. It makes me feel like it's drink from a coffee bar. It's helped me cut down on my weekly Starbucks runs. Let's get back to cleaning. So we do co-sleep with our baby. She's a year and a half. I'm playing around with the idea of converting her crib into a toddler bed. So that's definitely a project that's coming up soon. If you did that, let me know in the comments what worked out for you. I do see ourselves room sharing for several years just because it makes me feel safer knowing that my baby is right next to me. But again, let me know in the comments what you did and what worked out for you. So we did get a lot of cleaning done. The last thing I need to do is mop, and I wanted to do that before she takes a nap. When she wakes up, me and her can do some folding together, and she's actually really cute about folding. She likes to play with the clothes, and we just do together.